Hey folks, today is November the 4th. It's currently 6:14 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Agimat week number 84 live update and review. If you guys will recall, last week we earned 2.59%. The week before that, 3.71%. The week before that, 3.23%. And before that, we earned 3.32%. So definitely we've been on a string of good weeks here. Let's go ahead and see exactly how Agimat did this week. All right, so as we can see here, equity curve is definitely moving in the right direction. And I believe it was the last video last week where I mentioned that this line right here was going to be about the halfway point of us getting back up after that loss we took. So we have now officially reached the halfway point, or based on what I'm seeing, a little bit beyond the halfway point here. Let's go ahead and see how we did this week. All right, so it looks like this week we earned 2.79% or $219.39 this week. Very nice indeed. Let's go ahead and scroll down. As always, we do have trades open, a little bit of drawdown open going into the weekend, which we will take a look at once we jump into the VPS. But as we can see here, we closed out the month of October. Okay, so we did have one day this week of October, and that was the 31st, Monday. As you can see, we closed out October up 13.7%. And so far for the first week of November, and again, this is only 4 trading days, we're already up 2.58%, and we still have 1, 2, 3, almost 4 full weeks to go. So definitely a great start to the month of November. Let's go ahead and check out the news for the week. All right, so it looks like Monday all we had was cash rate out of Australia. Tuesday we had ISM manufacturing PMI out of the US. We had NZD employment change. On Wednesday we had USD ADP non-farm employment change. And on Thursday, let's keep on scrolling. On Thursday we had USD unemployment claims, also ISM services PMI out of the US. And on Friday, obviously this is the first week of the new month. So Friday we have non-farm payroll, first Friday of the new month. And let's see here. Also Canadian unemployment rate and employment change. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. We had quite a few red high impact releases this week. So let's go ahead and jump in, see what we got closed out. As you can see here, our account is now back over $8,000. Which is definitely a good thing. And you can see here we have a little over $200 in drawdown going into the week. And let's click on account history. First day of the week was the 31st, so we got started right around here. And as always, we'll be looking for the larger losing trades here. And as we can see, we got a group here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in this group. As you can see, quite a few losers, 38, 31, 41. But we do have this $144 win, which kept us into a profit in this group. Let's keep on going down. All right, here we have $10.44 loss. Looks like this is just a 3-4 trade group. As you can see, this $26.28 win kept us in a profit in that trading group. And we have just a nice long string of winning trades here. And here we got some losses. And we got a group of 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. And this $27.93 win kept us in profit in that group. And as we can see here, down at the bottom, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trade group. And this $105 win kept us into profit in this particular group. So Agimat continues to do well. Obviously, there's no trading system that's going to give us an equity curve that's straight up. But Agimat has proven itself over and over again, the ability to regain these highs. As you can see here, obviously it's not going to show this as pronounced back in 2021. But we did have a few pullbacks where we took some nice size losses. And again here, pullback, retook both of those highs, got to pull back, and I have no doubt that eventually we will retake this high as well. Might take a couple weeks, couple months, but This isn't going to be a short test. Obviously, we're on, what is it, 83, week number 83. Yep, we are on week number 84 now. All right, let's now go ahead, take a look over here, refresh the page, and see if we have any comments this week. All right, hi, finally I got the VPS going, but it's too late for this week, so no gains or losses for me this week. And we'll take a look here at Alex's account. All right, just so I can show you guys what he's talking about, this should say 0. All right, so just 0.51% for the week. And based on what he said, I'm guessing he wasn't able to get this set up in time to trade most of the, it looks like he just got it, I'm guessing, set up today, which is Friday, so probably took a few trades. All right, let's keep on going here. Let's check out Kelvin's live account for the week. All right, so Kelvin actually earned 7.22%. And that equates to 6.82% for the month of November. And it looks like for October, he earned 8.24%. All right, let's check out Khalid's account. All right, so Khalid earned 4.29%. There's always a little bit of drawdown going into the weekend, and we can see he closed the month of October up 25.31%, and so far for November, he's up 4.17%. So definitely doing extremely well. And like I said, guys, quite a few people after that hit are going to be down, but have no doubt in my mind we'll be able to retake these higher highs here. Just have to give it a bit of time. All right, we'd like to see results November 4th after the Fed meeting and the non-farm payroll. That is today, and obviously we just went over that. Even though there was quite a bit of volatility this week, we were still able to make a healthy 2.79%, and we closed out the week with only, I think, $200 it was in draw. Where was it at here? All right, so yeah, $209 in drawdown, and I believe our previous high was $9,000. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So we're definitely inching closer to that. We made $200 this week, so it won't take too many more of those $200 weeks for us to get back to that $9,000 mark. So as always, we're just going to have to be patient, take what the market gives us, and see what happens. As always, if you guys have any questions on the Agimat EA, make sure you guys ask them in the comment section. And I also have a coupon code that I'm going to be putting in the pinned comment. So that's something you guys can check out as well. All right. I'll see you guys on the next update, and I hope you have a great weekend. Take care, folks.